Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Erica Jamaican Cooking TV. So guys, today I'm making some gungo peas slash pigeon peas in my rice cooker, guys. I didn't know you could cook pigeon peas in rice cooker, but guess what? I am trying it, and guys, it is cooking. So the pigeon peas is cooking, guys. So today I'm gonna make some pigeon peas with rice, some rice and peas, some rice and pigeon peas with chicken breasts and some shredded cabbage, guys. So just relax, guys, and see what's going on. Thank you guys for supporting my channel. I appreciate it. Please continue to love up the channel by subscribing, commenting, and help me grow, guys. Thank you so much, guys. So I'll check in back, guys, as soon as this peas done cook, and I'm ready to season up my chicken breast, guys. Yes, guys, so now I'm soaking my chicken breast in some vinegar. So I clean off the excess part that I want to take off, and I'm soaking it in some vinegar before I season it up. And then I am going to put it in the oven with some barbecue sauce and some mustard and let it bake, guys. All right, guys, check you back later, people. Yes, guys, so let's check on my pigeon peas. Yes, guys, so the pigeon peas is boiling. I did not know that you could cook pigeon peas in the rice cooker. So there go my pigeon peas, guys, boiling in the rice cooker. All right, guys. Okay, guys, so right now I already put some seasoning in ready for the chicken. So right now I have some tomato, some onion, some scallion, and some sweet pepper in the pan with the chicken. So now I'm gonna add some barbecue sauce, not a lot. Barbecue sauce, some ketchup, and I'm gonna put some mustard. Mercy. Yes, guys, some mustard in there. The spicy mustard, guys. So now I'm gonna put some thyme leaf. So that's some dry thyme. Some basil. Some dry parsley. Yeah, parsley. I put some dry parsley in there. Dry parsley. I'm gonna put some paprika. Some Mrs. Dash. Unsalted Mrs. Dash, guys. And I'm gonna add some allspice that I blend up myself. So that's some allspice. And some Maggi all-purpose. Maggi all-purpose, guys. Be careful with the Maggi, for the Maggi have a lot of salt. And a little drop of browning. Be careful with browning, guys. So the browning that I'm using is this brand, Jamaican Choice browning, guys. And now I'm gonna mix everything together. Guys, I'm gonna rub the seasoning into the chicken. I leave the skin on, guys, because I want it to be nice and brown. So I'm gonna soak this, guys. gonna leave it to soak for a while, for marinate for a while before I bake it. So there you go, guys. The chicken breasts all seasoned up and marinating for until I'm ready to put it in the oven. All right, guys. So I'll check you back, guys, later. Okay, guys. Let's check on the peas. So the pigeon peas is still boiling. So let's check to see if it is cooked. Yes, guys, not fully cooked, guys, still cooking. Okay, guys, so I'm getting my cabbage ready. So I'm gonna steam some cabbage and broccoli in this pot. Yes, guys. Yes, guys. So now I'm gonna fry up my stuff, some tomato, onion, scallion, sweet pepper to go with that cabbage. So I'm gonna add all those stuff before I put the cabbage. I'm gonna fry this up a little bit and then I'm gonna add the cabbage. Yes, guys, so now I'm gonna get this pot ready. I'm gonna do my chicken. I'm gonna put a little bit of oil in the pot, not a lot, just a little bit of oil. So guys, because I don't want to use a lot of oil, I'm just putting a little bit of oil in the pot, and I'm gonna spread that oil in the bottom of the pot. So when I put the chicken, you have oil in the pot. Yes, guys, so I'm gonna spread out the oil in the pot bottom. Yes, guys, so as soon as this is hot, I'm gonna add the chicken. So over here, my tomato, my onion, and scallion is sauteing to put the cabbage. So now I'm gonna put the cabbage in. Yes, guys, so there you go. Put the cabbage in, and I'm gonna cover this and put some seasoning on it. So I'm gonna add some powder season, guys. I'm gonna steam this for about 10 minutes or less. So I'm gonna add a little bit of Maggi seasoning, Maggi all-purpose seasoning, some paprika, a bit of paprika, some salt-free Mrs. Dash. I'm not using any salt in this, guys, because the Maggi already have salt in it, so you don't need to add salt. Depends on how you like. And I put some dry thyme leaf, and then I'm gonna let this steam down, guys, and then I'm gonna mix it up. Check you back later, guys. So now, guys, I'm stirring all the seasoning into the cabbage. I stir everything together. And now I'm gonna add the the broccoli, guys. Here goes the broccoli. And then I'm gonna cover this again, guys, to finish cook. Okay, guys, so now I'm gonna put the chicken breast in the pot. Yes, guys, so I'm gonna let this brown. Let it brown, and then I'm gonna turn it. So I'm letting one side brown, and then I'm gonna turn the other side. All right, guys, check it back, guys. Yes, guys, so I'm gonna stir this so the cabbage can finish steam. So what I'm gonna do, guys, I'm gonna turn off the stove and let the steam finish cook the cabbage. Because I don't want it too soft, guys. Need it to be nice and crunchy. So I'm gonna turn it off, cover it, and the steam gonna finish cooking the cabbage. So that's cabbage and broccoli, guys. Yes, guys, so there you go, the chicken is browning. So I'm gonna let it brown, and then I'm gonna turn it. Okay, guys, so we're gonna season up the beans, the pigeon peas. So I'm using some Mrs. Dash in there, some Grace coconut milk powder, piece of butter, some scallion and thyme. Yes, guys. So I'm gonna wash the rice. I'm gonna let this cook for a minute, and then I'm gonna add the rice, guys. Okay, guys, so now I'm gonna turn the chicken. Yes, guys, so when I cook this dough, we're gonna slice it up with a knife. We're gonna slice it up, guys. We're not gonna. So once you fry this done, we're gonna slice it up, guys. Okay, guys, so now I'm gonna add the rice. So then I stir everything together and cover it so that it could finish cook, guys. So that's my pigeon peas. So this is rice and peas, guys. Pigeon peas. And I cook the peas in the rice cooker, guys. Yes, guys, so There goes the chicken. So now I'm gonna turn it again. So now guys, you see the chicken changing color. I'm gonna keep turning the chicken breast until I get the perfect color that I want. So that's, I cover the pot guys. So while the chicken is browning, it's cooking at the same time. Getting the color that I want. So getting a nice glazed color guys. So I just cover the pot so that the chicken can take its time and cook. Yes guys. Yes guys, so here goes the cabbage. It's finished cooking guys. So that's how it came out. So this is cabbage with broccoli, and I season with tomato, onion, garlic, scallion, and my all-purpose seasoning guys. Okay guys, so I'm gonna check on the chicken. So guys, I'm just gonna keep turning the chicken until the chicken breast until I get the color that I want. Then I'm gonna put some more the water that I season up the chicken that left in the pan after I season up the chicken. I'm gonna pour it in here and let it finish cooking guys. So there goes the color. Nice color so far guys. Okay guys, so I'm gonna pour the rest of seasoning on the chicken and let it finish cook. So this is gonna finish cook guys, so I'm just gonna cover it and let it stay and cook down more. Yes guys, so there goes the gungo peas, rice and peas. So all of the water, most of the water already dry out guys, so I'm just gonna cover this and let it steam down. I'm gonna take out all these thyme stuff because I don't need this anymore. And then I'm just gonna let the rice stay here and steam until it finishes cook guys. So that's my rice and peas. Peas of choice today is pigeon peas / gungo peas guys. So I'm just gonna let it steam. So I cook the pigeon peas also in the rice cooker guys. The pigeon peas is not dry, so it's green, so it was easy to cook in the rice cooker. Alright guys, so I'll check you back later guys when I'm checking the chicken. Okay guys, there you go, the chicken is cooking. So I just keep turning the chicken. Keep turning it. Turn. And then let it cook. Gonna take its own little time and cook guys. Let it cook right down to gravy. This guys, so I'm pouring the grate the broth over the chicken so it doesn't get dry. That's why I like to cook my chicken breast like this. So when you cook it like this, it doesn't get dry out. It doesn't get dry. Nice color, guys. Very nice color. So I'm gonna let this dry down. Yes, guys, so I'm just gonna let this keep cooking until it dry down and most of the water is gone out of the pot, guys. Alright, guys. Alright, guys, check it back. Okay, guys, so now you see the peas is still cooking. Not the peas. The rice is still cooking, guys. So I'm just stirring it up. Some people don't stir up the rice, but I like to pick up my rice so that the one on top can go under the bottom. I like to pick up my rice, guys, so that the one that is under the bottom can come on top. Yes, guys. Yes, guys, so chicken is done cooking all the way down to gravy, guys. Gravy. So guys, I like to cook my chicken breast like this, so because when you cook it this way, it doesn't dry out. So you just cover it and take it a little time and cook. So when you're ready to eat, guys, we're just gonna take a knife and slice it according to how we want. Just cut what you want off. And there you go, guys. So guys, if you are still watching, please comment, subscribe. I would appreciate your support, guys. Please don't forget to smash the notification button, so whenever time I upload a video, guys, you will get the video. So please subscribe and leave a comment, guys. So this is how I make my chicken breast on the stove, guys. Okay, guys, so there goes the rice and peas. Nice and shelly, guys. Nice and shelly. Rice and peas, guys. Tastes good with the coconut cream and the Maggi season. Alright, guys. So guys, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment there, guys. Thank you so much for your support. And don't forget to put your notification bell on, so whenever time I upload a video, you will see what I cook next, guys. Enjoy. Alright, guys, bye.